How to use a VPN on any iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So first, open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon in the bottom right. Type VPN and hit search. You'll see a bunch of options, both free and paid. Free ones usually have ads, while paid ones give you faster speed and no ads. We'll just use one of the free ones at the top. Tap on Download and wait for it to install. Once it's done, tap Open. You'll see some setup steps. Just accept and continue. Then you might get a pop-up asking for permission to add VPN configurations. Go ahead and tap Allow. Your iPhone will open the settings automatically, and you'll just need to enter your passcode. After that, the VPN will be added and connected. You'll know it's working when you swipe down and see VPN appear at the top of your screen in Control Center. That means you're connected and browsing securely. When you're done using it, just open the VPN app again. Tap the power button to disconnect. You'll also notice the VPN icon disappear from the top of your screen. That means you're no longer connected. And that's it. You've now successfully set up and used a VPN on your iPhone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.